No, 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 don't be stupid. I tell you, don't be stupid. When your stupid Kevin Taylor was insulting, where were you?
I'm a Taylor and champagne for them the dinner see Ghana. Papa no so your boss so your be man friend am Taylor and a full sash away for person. One champagne for them the dinner see e wo Ghana ha se no. A wo John Mahama what Ghana ha. Atemi biala asa papa no so your boss so your be my friend am Taylor no e sha se di mpeni for them Ghana no. Wan kan
asemo ho abusia aviwe Ghana be the rough ye na eko TikTokers na dwawo TikTokers no amwatie gu framanu ma sama omo ka kire Mahama no ono obinu ne ho de na esi ama TikTokers na ni abresa abusia and this TikTokers yo enkrofo no omo kasama and this was TikTok so before the election yes and John Mahama any media folk ye encounter and all catch media no say bloggers, Facebookers, YouTubers, any TikTokers no. Wow, beka sembi ono emfane kwan mu na ebe ya semutia ede ama no John Darega Dramani Mahama no. Obema the national security no ababechew. Na asem we betu dwa na Mr. Happiness NDC TikToker o. Eni nkrofo nkaye o mako mu nyina kasa NDC. Ababonte se na papa adan. Na nyawo na ye di amamfo atemma wa na wani agi. Enye wona kogina ba because don't be stupid no. Abusianfo omese Mahama ebeya nka ontum firi Ghana na fire mo aso mo de ba no. Ontumi nyina no. Yenko kotie.
And when we trace you, we'll deal with you under the criminal code for inciting violence and disturbance of the peace. But I believe that beyond that, we must start making regulation for this new media because it's unregulated. And so anybody just takes a phone and says, oh, this plane crash, I wish that so and so had been the one in the helicopter and had died and dwarfs have eaten him in the forest. I mean, why would you say something like that? And so we need regulation for that new emerging media. But in the meantime, the National Surveillance Bureau has been given the full authority to track down people who do that kind of thing and bring them to be sanctioned under the criminal code.
Yo, don't be stupid. I tell you, don't be stupid. When your stupid Kevin Taylor was insulting, where were you? Now you have the gut to arrest people who insult. Listen, don't be stupid. You cannot silence anyone. This culture of silence is not going to work. We will talk, we will criticize. If you deserve insults, we're going to insult you. Don't be stupid.
I'm a Taylor and champagne for them the dinner see Ghana. Papa no so your boss so your be man friend am Taylor and a full sash away for person. One champagne for them the dinner see e wo Ghana ha se no. A wo John Mahama what Ghana ha. Atemi biala asa papa no so your boss so your be my friend am Taylor no. E sha se e di mpeni for them Ghana no. Wan kan o. Eno de wan fa na common national security for ene no aye de ho sesa ne ma no. Afi no ani aba onim national security for e ho kwan. John Mahama ye pese ka se mi cho Ghana ha nya wo de ewu. Ghana ha nya NDC for dia. E na mama be hyehyem na de ma nipa Ghana ha. Me ka kire wo. Ewi ase de obedua bia no na obetwa. Susukuru obi obehwom bia ye de ho sesa be ma wankasa. Akufo de ba power. Ateni a wo nkrofo ni di akufo ado no. Wa yanka ho asem hwe. Saa wo firi so ya matela temu didi e wodi mpeni for Ghana ha no. Wote ha? Won kan ho hwe no de waka wano atum. Sa wo so na wo taeche na wo hye ni kutupa so ni mpeni fatam Ghana. Ye de yenim so yo ba so yo be mo ye de yenim yenim ase fe na matela na fon sa hye for pause. Wote ne oteni studio no di mpeni fatam. Wo kan ho de. My ntie nya yengum ya bre wo. Amamu na wo ka so ba bebu no. Enye na ode ba eni wo bedua wo no bla 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 24 hour economy no. De ode ba eni ene kire no. John Mahama ama nipa di hu ye o Ghana ha papa. Na enye hwe enye wadwe so betra so afegbo won ta so nkwa wie ye da na anya bia no e bia to betwa.
Good morning, Your Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana. When I was campaigning for you in 2024, you didn't ask for my IP address to be traced. But today, if I criticize your government, if I say something your government doesn't like, you trace my IP to arrest me. You don't need to do that. That's a waste of natural government resources. I can give you my address in the Netherlands, and next year I'm coming to Ghana myself. So whatever I see, if I come to Ghana, arrest me, the Dutch government will fight for me. So I don't have a problem with that. But I also want to tell you this. Words, they don't have any power. It is our reaction to words that gives words power. Because first and foremost, words were invented by humans. Words are not like forces of nature, like gravity. So what is hate speech? If you are the president and somebody says you are a monkey, if you know you are not a monkey, why should this thing bother you? It's as simple as ABCD. I'm a cleaner, I clean toilet, I say it all the time. People use it to make videos and talk about it. Why should I be angry? It is my job, I do. So why should I be angry? Words don't have power. It is your reaction towards words that gives them power. If somebody tells you your children are not yours, are you going to jail them when you know they are your children? So you see, it is your reaction. Allow yourself to be criticized. Because you spoke a lot when you wanted the mandate. Now you have the mandate. So when people tell you what you said, you have not done it, accept it in good faith. And say, I'm working on it. This thing won't solve any problem. Mr. President, me, I will say it. And I'll come to Ghana. So if you want to arrest me, next year I'll give you my itinerary. When I'm coming to Ghana, when I come there, you arrest me. But I'll criticize you as long as you are not doing well. Thank you.
Intela timia di dini patama mananadu tna 8 years so o timi di mpanimfo kukudam ahemfofo asante hine ye otumfo na ye kasa ne aboye mu ase ama no odi natam awo na wabaya mu mama sa protect no amu asa timi akofa lawyer say tabo e de ball no enya adwuma enyina so nim ye gya no ama Kevin Taylor egyae moto na wu tu sasa we ya obi vabi ni eno na bronya de simoso no MPP bloggers best 510 omo so simoso the deep bad sitali nyina agene de adami hwe video bi o se ba sitali oni mfata ade bia be bia sa ubetwa bia no ubetwa me say wudua haban ana dua papa bia obedua bia be so amo ate so aba edu teso na wu ka wu ye Kevin Taylor ye oba ye na de mradi na why na be fuma nti family ni no mo na mo se MPP fo di sika enye sika ketwa mo ba ye no mo ko 1 year o se na months ni why na machi na ajeli no why na machi no ajeli no omune nam ho na de mu ye nyina omu so de ahye omutrim ma MPP ni mra ye hwade na hwade mo ombaye mo isa president Mahama na ke jeli omu preko na musuo nkase MPP na positions esia se na me no kase ya to aba MPP anya na MP NDC for munyina da te se de ne ye beto aba na munyina mkotena buruchire yo MPP for be ye mo no mu bedwa wo man we adwe hye omutirim no enye o man ne enhye se ye medane o man ne ma ne nye adu me adu you eno an e wo MPP for team. If it's a more supporters and more product or more bloggers, and some more can at that position bet 10 at that position where you do it to throw mine. You the worst sound of mine or my ye. You the way to throw a mine to show my man or mine, eh? Yeah, Massy be yem punto. Emma mine is a son. Ye nim, and it's a way I am in the yenny. And no one will vision. And no one will vision. MPP to a money campaign message be a dear message in a more. Mr. President Mahama nya akonya enu gina eni ya masate asesi wo muso saa enso man no ke ya kan Mr. President Mahama no kura pass MPP for mo to na mo kan no kura MPP bloggers mo kan no kura ka 8 months ya na 9 months ya wawura mu kana mamoni yes better say Mr. President akufo ado eye meboa asama na ada ndi eto ne huru ya nim nkosoro ya huru ba fom ukoto ade me se teze wanko yatum ade tia de san ya bi eto ade fufurum ene asesa ene cement say 1 million Mr. President Mahama betra so a gina say 1 ejina ho sai move da na 8 months near to cement 1.2 and be 1.3 then near to me 1 million 200,000 and 300,000 is kaketwa Uto 100 basi asend every so Uto 200 basi asend every so Ede ne Ghana for mo mien kan no kro na adwen kuta ye echese menye ndisi ninti no oye papa kra ye bone Mesim ye ne atimu no timamufo na ne yese o man Ghana no ye kan hu bi ene mpanifo ni tirim ye o mo dan o mo so guso na ye so ye guso ene o mo sai o man no na Mr. President Mahama ji akonwa no e wo misa me ye MPP ni ma me to aba ma evidence na adu nti me to aba ma NDC be mo mpa se Mahama ntimi nya bibi ma emwa o man no na se yetimi ya ni so MPP ye ba position na se me nso manya Mr. President Mahama wa ye we ya nso ye ba be ya bro ne de so simple message moti o memu entokwa ya chiminti ye nso ye ba ye be chemo ya bu ye nti ye nso ye ba ye be bo mo e de ne be mo man na nya frim e de no man Ghana ye nya fri sa de ni mu me nua be mate what say me you to our no wasiso a sebi one room kronti min siye no na wonu wo follow sam penifo no say ya bu we ye ba ye nso ye kobu bi oh my Ghana no mesi ebe ya ye ni ewo mu no timamufo ne eto abade wo mo ba no ye ni ane ma wo mu nya wo man ni ye ente ma wo mu tirim ya wo mo de kwabrani aso kamless ni so no adi police penny pa wonu na ma wo da se wonye penny we na waso camera na odi na tem enam politics nti eze bi na wo abronya ena me se Mr. President Mahama pena e banisa Kevin Taylor ena ma we nya obi eye bi munya abronya why munya no rizaka ya chede ya munchi Kevin munchi wonu before ansa na mo de wo mama ka nyina agum Kevin Taylor munchi ntum ansa na ma che obi agum e ba sa obi abeka na no atum Wote Ghana wochira wadna yese ye bechew me dia eche kura de me ma tra kura wochi me ana yede wochi me a wo mo de mesne wo mo nye nipa na de minkum nipa na me ne yawu me nkoba okro no na kire wadwene ka bi ma me nka bi na de wo ye na odi mesna nya na me ka no wo beche me se de ana me bwa eno kura ne o man Ghana ne empe no nti no man ne sai no me se de Mahama betena so a wo ye excellent Yan shani mani kwasi 2 years 2.5 years and 1 year mpo na 1 year no me see the Mr. President Mahama eye no se na do ye e de ye kosa ka vote a o lusu bebre na ye to na abane ya MPP be lusu komo lusu sa me say Mr. President Nanado oye ni sa can the MPP for vote o lusu seat beblebe no ko mu lusu sada ende adi atam na mu didi NDC for ata ene na be me yekoto aba ya to ama MPP ana eno ne be to ama MPP ana me nya Kevin tina mto aba ma NDC o de na na do de ye kono me send sika yete me yi ayete me di loto ayete mani ayete me tuana ahoman so me menen me ho nto me nyana me tu ahoman so me menen ni koyi a MTF ode na na ebeyi ya ka nyina ye media o mai niema ye wo nyina achi muntimi mfa adwen na mo de ti opposition mo bedwen no mo ba mo ntim fa sa adwen ne nye eto na mrofu ya na control mo ti mo ba mo fa ye se ye mo bi na o man mo bu yen mo bu ye mo de mo te ye so America te wo na wonu a kire se wa beje amemefo loan na moji aye musika no ma sa chinchin mo nsa de ama mo loan na mo o se fatu ogu so fa na ye ho nkire ye na de o mo fa Libya fa o mo konso no ma kowu ade chen bi amafo fa Libya emrafo na edi tem ma mo ye mpanifo mo afa mo ho adwen o man ne be senso saa esa di atam ene me chew mabu bi ni nyina mo forget na munyi mfiri mu ne ye ma de obetimi aye wonye ontimi nya ma foforo na obeba na nye ontimi nso a abato ne kwa be ye ntwam nzo ontimi me dadae na wune hwe ne ye de waba na wofu ne abusuama be ye pam kwa bra ni gyina fa kwa dan ni enkura edan obesi agu etimi so kuro timodin sa sika obetimi dia ya kwan Ghana kwan se Ghana etemu half a kwa bra ni sika otimi efa no etimi yes akwan ne half na so no kwa feska no egunu botom oni na busuafo ne ma no mo chele hia de tinton tan na se mo amo yes ade na mo boss abra ni nyina yese Ghana fo nyina sama mo manye onyame na yale ni edro de o ma ne mpale mo so da everise mu bu ye kwase wo man we mo dodo mu bu ye kwase dodo kwabra ne de pen one day pen sika wo de pen be wia ne dey no o be ye adwuma wo nkwan da nyina wunya se ska ne bi da no wo moto wo ye so nso amome ya so monyo yen ena de we bag ga adai MPP NDC yenya modai.
Hello, good morning. Anope, I've seen a video of President John Dramani Mahama in a media encounter he was answering a question about people who sit on social media to make speeches and it is have the capacity or it is now fueling tribal conflict. And President John Dramani Mahama answered that now the Signals Bureau has been created to make sure that people who uses the social media for such behaviors or incidences will be picked up by the National Signals Bureau for prosecution. Now I want to ask the president a question. Are you now new in Ghana? Ghana a new one. If you are not new in Ghana, you were here when Kevin Taylor insulted everybody in this country. Insulted president, he insulted chiefs, pastors in this country. You allowed this guy to come to this country under active bench warrant or Danodo Mobile, and supposedly no Okoda vice president no residence ma adichin otim ko Supreme Court ma overturning the bench warrant or Danodo. What signal have you sent across to Ghanaians that in there it is okay to insult leaders? It is okay to insult chiefs. And then now it is your turn. So you want to sensitize the system. Mr. President, it will not work today, tomorrow, or forever. I quite remember TikTok, there was one lady, also a Lodina Baposia. Go back to her videos. How he insulted President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo in this country. You can't say anything. You can't say anything because of NDC. And now you can't arrest Domahini, but you want to arrest the ordinary Ghanaian because of your MPP. Only the chief, on Kevin Taylor, the president. You are disgracing this country. by not taking bold actions or steps against people who have done that, it will be very difficult to fight this now. Signals Bureau cannot stop it. See, our greatest mistake is ever voting for NDC again in this country. Yesterday, look at what happened in Sampa. Look at it. Look at what happened in Sampa yesterday. There's no arrest. Look at Chief Azoka, what he said. There's no arrest. But Bronya Day, you can arrest him. We are here. We are here. Thank you.
Ghana for Asamaba. Sesia Matisse, yes, Andra. President John Mahama Ekoshia in Central for na omo de nsembia tudwa yes or say wow better hate speech ewo Ghana han ye bechiw hate speech ni say wow be dia term ebia wow beka say obey tribalism obey anti-sane mania obey din nkofo atem ne obey threaten nkofo ne ade no wo kasa na ye bechiw na problem ni ho problem biamba bibi ansesa we biansa yes say abobia bewu a opre abobia bewu na yes abebi so bewu a na eso eni si aba na ga say bewie enti eno sa no be also me bibi meja mudin ami aka say party bi bae ne efe na NDC enti normal abobia bewu opre na de meka ne say we MPP member so ho mendi atem na so pese odi atem mpo a kofa Kevin Taylor nenu mukasa nafa NDC picture fatwas ye edit nafa NDC picture fatwas ye senya wona wodi atem Kevin Taylor na di atem nafa chabe bi kakra nafa NDC picture fatwas ye simple enya wona wodi atem na Kevin Taylor na di atem nje obi anti meche aha nje mu ampase mudi atem no akwanche am dia mamu okofa Kevin Taylor nu masema na wodi picture ya towas ye the ODD president atem and the ODD vice president atem the ODD on him atem no the picture dia to asie aha enya wona wo kasa ehin so mo pa mo kwachi bipa na o kasa o kan sa asem enya wona wo kan ye simple advice am bem wan so ho na 3 years 4 years na wa haya aha
abusanfo jawei na edere ewo media no yesi na mahama na asem na o kan ye no wan kan yi kura amanfo se Kevin Taylor de waye na Ghana ye binie enti ade enti ene de oso de sanction eba beto TikTok eso so se wadwen e wo comment section boss